Imagine a place where the earth and sky merge into a seamless white horizon, a place that's a silent symphony of nature's grandeur. This is the white desert of Kutch, nestled in the heart of India's vibrant Gujarat. Here, the crystalline beauty under the moonlight, the stark contrast with the blue sky, and the ethereal tranquility are but a few striking features. It's a mesmerizing wonder that leaves you breathless. Welcome to the white desert of Kutch, a surreal dreamscape that seems to be from another world. Embarking on a journey to the white desert is like stepping into a tale of unparalleled beauty. As you traverse the vibrant lands of Kutch, you're greeted by a kaleidoscope of cultures. Each town, each village, each hamlet brimming with life, color, and warmth. The locals, with their infectious smiles and welcoming hearts, make you feel right at home. The region's rich mythology adds another layer of intrigue to your journey. Stories of brave warriors, noble kings, and divine deities echo in the air, making every step you take feel like a walk through history. Then comes the transition. The landscape slowly changes, the greens and browns giving way to an endless expanse of white. It's like crossing over into a different world, a world where time stands still and beauty knows no bounds. Arriving at the white desert, one can't help but marvel at the breathtaking panorama that unfolds. Exploring the white desert is a sensory delight that captivates one's heart and soul. The best time to embark on this journey is during the Rann Utsav festival, which takes place from November to February. As the cool winter breeze brushes against your face, the sight of the shimmering white salt desert stretching out into eternity is truly a spectacle to behold. Picture yourself traversing this vast expanse on the back of a camel, swaying gently to its rhythm. There is a certain joy in this simplicity, a connection to the earth that's both humbling and exhilarating. As dusk falls and the full moon rises, the desert transforms into a magical landscape, glowing under the moonlight. The silence of the desert is broken only by the enchanting melodies of the cultural performances, a celebration of life and traditions. The white desert of Kutch is not just a place, but an experience that leaves an indelible imprint on one's memory. As all good things must come to an end, so does our journey in the white desert. We've traversed an ethereal landscape, an expanse as white as the purest snow, and experienced the warm embrace of its people, their vibrant culture weaving a rich tapestry around us. The white desert, in its surreal beauty, has imprinted on us memories as timeless as the desert itself. As we bid adieu to the white desert, we carry with us memories that are as timeless as the desert itself.